This is our circuit.
Dave, tell me, what is this?
This is battery. Give power. It gives power.
Very good. Now Harshit, tell me, what is this board?
Breadboard.
Okay. Karthik, tell me, why do we use it?
To connect compact
Components easily. Okay. Tanisha, what is this light?
LED glow when current flows.
Okay. Current flows through the circuit. Dave, tell me, what is this small part?
This is a register. It protects LED.
Okay. Harshit, tell me, what is this button?
Switch when it on LED glow.
Very good.
And the jumper wire, they connect all part together.
Okay. Okay, so tell me, what is the working of this model? Yes, Dave.
When the battery is connected, the voltage is available.
Okay.
When the button is pressed, circuit become complete.
Current flows through the transistor.
Okay.
Translation.
Transistor allow the LED glow.
Okay. Karthik, tell me, what are the real life applications of this circuit? Okay.
Thank you.